Welcome to our programming channel. Today in C programming we will see string reverse function. First we take header files, include stdio.h, include stdio.h, include conio.h. We are going to take string reverse function, so include string.h void when function. First we make char array for string str having length 50. Printf enter a string, scanf %s str, then printf entered string is equal to %s str. Printf string reverse is equal to %s, and here we use string reverse function. We want reverse the string in str, so here strrev in bracket str, and if we run, enter the string welcome, entered string welcome, string reverse imoclue. This was simple program where we have used string reverse function. In further videos we will see reversing a string without string reverse function. That's all for string reverse function in C. Thanks for watching.